Yeah, we got an outdoor shower burst pipe. Time I show up at a customer's house, I like to leave a lot of space between me and the door to kind of let them get a visual of me and then make them feel comfortable when they're opening that first door to a stranger. They do expect my arrival, but I'm still a stranger, so I like to keep a lot of space in between the front door. Hello. I'm thinking right now what I'm trying to do is, if you look here, this shower valve is deep into the stone. On the other side of this is a tile tub. So what we're trying to do is we're gonna have to access this valve, and now we're stuck between a situation that we're gonna have to either bust out some tile or go through stones. Right now, this is a casita that's offset from the main property. We've had to shut the water off to the entire property to isolate the leak. They don't think there's another isolation valve deep down. I feel like there might be one. And if we could get this isolated, we could at least just get this shut off while we get the water back onto the main property. So kind of just walking around right now, seeing if I see something that will allow that to happen, because that'll really make a difference on how we handle this repair. Right now, the main property, the main house, the main residence has no water. And so if we could get this casita isolated, it's really gonna help them out. They're just new to the property, so they don't know if there's another shut-off valve here available. Okay, so I'm not locating any valve right now. So our main focus is we're gonna get this water turned back on ASAP. We're gonna do what we gotta do to get the customer back to normal. So have a discussion with the customer right now, explain to them their options, and we're gonna get after this. We're gonna get this taken care of. So what we're gonna do is we're going to have to, like I talked about, probably have to bust out that tile, replace that valve. We're just gonna replace the valve completely, and then get the water turned back on.